Hello and welcome back, friends. As you could see in the last episode, we discussed how we can enhance the video. However, when you have an image, you won't be able to do it, and you see that message here, and you cannot physically start enhancements for turning some scene into B-roll. Now, in this episode, I'm going to show you how exactly that is done. So, if we go back to the storyboard, as you can see, I already turned this image into video by going to the video page, and you see there is some movement, and I didn't do anything fancy. I just used the image and I, without any prompt, just turned it into video. Pretty basic stuff. So basic camera tracking is happening by default, so no need to do anything. So after this video is selected, you should be able to see it here. As you can see, currently now is a video. See? And you hear the music with it. Now I will show you how enhancement works. So at first we have enhancement again. That is for turning this upscaling the video itself, the resolution. But beside doing resolution, we have a handload of different models that improve your image quality, removes a lot of things. There's a lot of options in here. But in this video, I will show you frame interpolation, which is if sometimes you have if you want to add slow motion, you want to change the frame rate, anything like that, you can use this feature. Currently, I'm only interested in the slow-mo, so let's do 4 times. I'm not sure if that's the best one, and I will show you what the move can do. So, but I'm selecting this, and it's 4 times slow motion, and we are clicking Enhance, and it will start shortly, as you can see. Now, here we have a percentage. When it's done, I will show you what is going to happen next. So you have many variations of things you can do here, including frame stabilization, SDR to HDR, motion to blur, and etc. So many options. You can use different AI models. So currently the magic is happening behind the scene. And now I will show you what's going to happen next. There you go. After the enhancement is done, you will get a slider right in the middle. And slider is just the way UI works. So when you see the slider, you can move right and left. Currently for frame interpolation, this just doesn't do too much. But I want you to look at top. You have revert, keep enhanced options, right? So what are those 2 buttons? So after you seeing this change happened, you want to make this slow motion happening. Best is to click Keep Enhanced, which will automatically replace your existing video to the slow-mo version. So now let's see how that works. As you can see, it's very slow, maybe too slow even, but that's the slow motion right there. Okay. You can also click here to see on the top left, right here, you have a button says View Full Resolution. When you do that, you see the full resolution, and you will notice that the video became 19 seconds because it slowed it down. I slowed it down very too much. However, keep in mind, your scene is still 5 seconds long because we are cutting to the 5 seconds. That's how we work. But if you want the B-roll to be longer, you can generate another scene the same way we did the scene 1 and scene 2, which is by using the last extracted file. For example, we can go to the 5th scene, go to the video, right? And choose extract the last previous frame. So it would automatically extract from the video that you see in the preview right here. From this video, it will grab the last scene, and then you can continue again, and you could continue the slow-mo or you can make it even faster, or you can change things. The options are so many options. That's the beauty of our product. That's how slow motion works. And now let's watch the whole thing once again. It's very interesting how it looks. There you go. I'm not going to like that. So as you can see, the transition happens. It's very interesting. And then we go from this scene, singing part, lip sync, and then it's moving to the B-roll. Now, I will show you something else. If you like the B-roll or you don't like it, let's say you did some change and you're not too happy with the result, right? You say this was too slow, for example, like I did. All you need to do, you go back and say restore to the original. And when we click that, it will automatically restore back to how it was. As you can see, no more slow-mo. And then you can try it again, okay? And the beauty about this, it's absolutely free for our VIP members. That's how good it is. For regular, basic, and medium users, it's 30 tokens to do enhancement. And you only will do this maybe in a couple of scenes. So this is very useful for B-roll type of situations. Another thing we could do here is stabilization of the scene. You see the camera is moving not too stable. So what can we do? We can go to the stabilization, full frame or auto crop, whatever you like. Those are two different methods to stabilize the gimbal type of feeling, right? And stabilization works with interpolation or wait 1 second. Yeah. So basically, you can use stabilization and full frame anytime you want. And then you see here you can make it bigger. So stabilization would solve this issue of the frame being moving too much. But I'll show you more information in the next lesson. Thank you for being here.